In this video, we're going to go over domain setup, theme color, and joining the webinar group. The first thing with setting up your domain is that you need to come up with a subdomain. In this case, I chose webinars. Once you've chosen the subdomain that's going to work best for you, go ahead and click Set Up Subdomain. If it's available, you'll get a green pop-up box that says it was successful, and you'll be taken back to your profile page. In which case, you'll just need to come back down here to Domain Setup and finish the process. If the subdomain is already in use, you'll get this little red error that says, oops, this subdomain already exists. So again, in this case, I've used webinars as my subdomain. Now I need to come down here and actually set up my domain. In this example, I'm going to use the domain bonniebueno.com. But before I can actually set this up, I'm going to need to create a CNAME record in my DNS records. I'm using Cloudflare. Cloudflare is free and it provides a free SSL certificate. In this video, I'm not going to go over how to set up a Cloudflare account. We'll do that in another video. But I will show you how to do it in this video. So I'm in Cloudflare. I'm using the domain I want to use. I'm here under DNS records. I just want to choose CNAME from the dropdown. Here I'm going to put www because if you notice in your HQ webinar account, www is what is used here. In the second box, I'm going to copy the subdomain that I've created up here. And that's what I'm going to paste over here in the second box. Now we're going to go ahead and leave this as automatic, and we want to make sure that we keep this cloud orange, as that's what's providing our SSL certificate and keeping our customers from getting that this site isn't safe message. So I'm going to go ahead and add the record here. So I've added it here, as you can see. I'm going to go back to HQ Webinar, and I'm going to finish this up with www.bonniebueno.com. And I'm going to click on the Setup Domain. And you noticed that green flash that said Success. And it's brought me back to my profile menu. So if I come back down here to Domain, we'll see everything is set up correctly. In the theme color, you can choose what color you want your back-end theme to look like. Currently it's set to purple, but you can change this to anything you want. You can use a color code by just typing it in here, or you can choose by selecting from any of these colors here. So if you wanted it to be a different color, you could just choose the color that you like and click Update Theme. Now you'll notice that I've changed the color of the theme in my back end. Now we're going to go to Webinar Group, and we really encourage you guys to join this, as you'll find a lot of helpful tips and information. So what you'll do is you'll click on this Join VIP Facebook group, and you'll be taken to the group. You can click Join Group, and once the team gets the request, you'll be approved and be able to follow and even make your own posts in the Facebook group.